Another vandalize. It happens all the time in Toronto. People try to break into people's car, and this is what happened. They damage the door, they damage the glass, they damage the cover panel. What you see is going to be minimum $5,000–6,000 damage. Just try to get into the car. Here, the process for the insurance claims. When you drop your car to our location, we keep the car safe indoor until the insurance appraiser comes from insurance company. They come here personally, they check the car, they check the damage, and they're gonna find out how much will cost to repair the car. They give us an estimate, we go with their estimate because normally we have no issue with insurance company. When he finishes estimate, he's gonna email us next day, and there you go, we start the process. And if you have a damaged car, you don't know where to go, contact us at parsmoto.ca. We're here to help you guys. Thank you.